Wow, it has been so long that I've been waiting on this Tailhook Mod 2 to finish off this build here. I think, it's been over a year, I think. But it finally arrived, and yeah, I can finish this thing up, so let's take a look at it. So this is Gearhead Works, of course, and it comes with what's this? Of course, it comes with everything you need. Get this little guy out of here, which actually I don't need, but it's pretty standard. And so I'll basically sit there. Kind of replaces everything you have, and this is adjustable as well. I know it'd probably be smarter to put this in the other direction, but back it off one. Let's finger tighten this. Just double check that looks like what I'm expecting. Yep. Okay, I think I got that installed. Doesn't quite match the coloration, but I can hit that up with some spray paint. The beauty of it is you got this button here. You can adjust the There we go. That's actually perfect right like that. Perfect. There she is. Hit this with some paint, replace the battery in there, and I think I'm good to go.